Morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital Live Stream. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Friday, December 5th, 2025, 9:23 a.m. Mountain Time. Um, Market is up right now. Nasdaq up 0.1, Dow up 0.3, S&P up 0.3. Nasdaq volume is up quite a bit, and NYSE volume is down. So if Nasdaq turned negative, we could see a distribution day because of the volume, so something to be aware of. Let's take a look at the QQQ Nasdaq ETF 100 here. Um, we did make new high again, so that's a good sign. However, we are reversing lower right now and testing the lows right now intraday. You can see right here. So that is not good at this moment, but if we can test this and we bounce back up, that will be really good sign. Then we might have a very good closing on Friday and also a good closing for the week. This will be the second week up. That's what we want to see. Let's see if that happens or not. At this moment, it's not looking so good because it is testing the lows here as well as whether it'll close the gap. If it does come down, then we will have a bad close and it'll still be up for the week, I think, but it's just not as strong of a close, right? So um, yeah, so it's gonna be interesting. Let's see what happens. Let's go to SPY. Very similar picture here, coming down as well. Could be testing the lows and also, closing that gap there. Also making new high today, recent high. So we're getting closer and closer to the previous high. So from that perspective, the indexes are looking very good. Um, you know, even if we close down slightly down today, we still near the highs, right? It's not a big drop. So overall, like its market is acting pretty healthy. Um, Dow also similar action here, near new high. 5-minute chart looking slightly better, didn't come down as far as Nasdaq and S&P. IWM is testing the low at this moment. You can see right there, it's bouncing though, so that's a good sign. Again, this one make a new closing high yesterday. I don't see anyone talking about it. So that's a really healthy sign as well of this index. So overall, we do see 20 stocks on this list. This list only show up to 20, but nonetheless, it's almost 2 hours since the market opened, and we still have pretty good volume. We have Frog, BKV, Rye Air, Roku, Coherent doing really well, GFI, EQT. Gold stocks doing okay today, bouncing. APPN, TSM, Penumbra, Pega, Reddit, XGN, Marvel, MDB, Dino, MU, Wago, GS, and Flex. Okay, so let's go to my list here. This is easier. I group it by sector. Today's strongest sector right now, this morning, is retail. And we're seeing ACVA here. AS also trying to bounce here. Booking is also bouncing. Kavana has been doing pretty well recently, I think. Let's take a quick look at the chart. Here's Kavana chart. Look at that. Many days up now. It's very close to breakout point right now. So it's trying to break out. So it's been doing really well. Dash also bouncing strong. Dollar Tree doing well after the earnings. EL, Estee Lauder. So this is another stock I think not many people pay attention, but also on the brink of breaking out right now. Also very strong chart right now. So looks really good. GLW trying to bounce today. Each side doing well. Love this airline stock. Let's take a look at that one as well. So this one make a huge move today, but prior to that, it was kind of moving up, back up. So this chart is a little bit choppy, but but yeah, nonetheless, it's moving right now. We have SGI and Shark Ninja here. Uh, so look at Shark Ninja. Also, this one has been coming up pretty nicely, strong chart angle momentum right now. So that looks pretty good as well. Expel, this one is doing really well. This one, look at this one. So this is in order part related as well. So yeah, some of the retail is doing well. Techs today, let's see, we have App Loving still going high, bouncing Google, IoT, reporting earnings doing well. Lumentum is still going, and some of the chip stocks, LSCC, Marvel, MTSI, Reddit is also doing well. WDC bouncing a little bit. So that's that. And industrial, I don't see too many other than Coherent. Let's take a look at Coherent. This one is bouncing really sharp right now. It's accelerating, and yeah, very strong. Again, not many industrial. Again, the market is pretty tame today. I'm actually surprised. I was hoping, other than the retail that's really moving today. Health side, I see Penumbra moving. Let's see how it's doing right now. Yes, it's trying to come out right now of this little handle here. So it looks pretty good. This is traditional buy point, still a little bit above it. Um, Again, the gold side, AG, we have GFI bouncing a little bit, it's giving back a little bit though. GFI also pulling back a little bit. Let's look at gold bullion. So same thing, gold bullion, you see it came out and then it kind of pulled back. So that's not a good sign. I don't like to see, especially so early in the morning, it's pulling back. But we'll see, right? Right now the market is testing the low, so if it can bounce back later in the day, that's good too, right? So we'll watch for that. SLV also, well, SLV actually make new high this morning, so that looks good on the silver side. There is a couple, like, I think the natural gas price I saw, I can't remember the symbol. The UNG? Yeah, UNG natural gas ETF. Look at this move right here, making new high. So that some of the maybe more focus on the gas side, maybe doing well. I don't know, BKV. I don't know this stock that well, but it's moving really nice. I think EQT was another one, but it's not on. It doesn't have the strongest earnings. Yeah, so that's that. Financial, I didn't see too much moving other than CISO this morning, and CPay is the other one here. So CISO, is a huge winner prior, and then huge correction. Lately, it's been trying to bounce back. Today, it's making new high above this red line, so that looks pretty promising. So we'll see. Yeah, so let's take a final look at the index here, QQQ. Yeah, it's just pulling back slightly, testing the lows of the day. We'll see how it ends. Thank you for watching. I'll be coming out with new videos this weekend. Please like and follow, and see you again on the weekend. Thank you. Have a good weekend. Bye.